Okay, so I'm going on a trip to Southeast Asia, and obviously one of the main things I need to do is pack a bag. So where do I even begin? Well, first of all, you need to think about how long are you gonna go? This is kind of a challenge for me because I am buying a one-way ticket and I don't know when I'm coming back. I'm expecting it to be for a few months, probably somewhere around 4, 5, 6, maybe longer. I also don't know what I'm gonna be doing. So you need to think about what you're doing. For me, I know I'm gonna be checking out beaches. I know I'm gonna be doing a lot of walking, trying a lot of foods. I don't expect to be going to fancy dinners or anything, so I know I don't need like formal attire. I'll probably be swimming, I'll probably be hiking. I know I probably will be climbing a mountain, who knows? You really need to think about what you're going to do and what you're gonna do while you're there. So for me, I don't know what I'm gonna do, so I'm trying to be very versatile, but also keep it very lightweight. I know I at least am going to want to have my electronics with me so that I can look up what I'm gonna do next. I need to be able to do my research while I'm moving it around. I might wanna watch a little bit of Netflix or something, but I don't really do that a ton, but I want the flexibility to do that. I've traveled to, I think, somewhere around 12 or 13 countries now, a bunch of different places around the globe, and for a bunch of reasons. I've gone for work, I've gone for pleasure, I've been in a wedding in India, I've gone for all kinds of reasons, so you really need to consider all of those things. Now I want to show you what I'm packing, how I'm thinking about everything I'm doing. So the first thing is I'm switching over to a backpack. This is my backpack. The reason I'm going with this 40-liter backpack is I like the versatility of having my hands free while I'm walking around. I've traveled with a suitcase before, and I thought it would be really nice to just not have to carry the weight around with me. The size, I got a 40-liter. I honestly have never used a backpack before for travel, but I don't want something too big where I can't walk long distances, so this seemed like a good fit. But I still need to be able to carry something that's gonna carry everything I need for the next 6 months. One of the things to think about when you're traveling for 6 months is you can't obviously bring your entire wardrobe, everything that you keep in your room, right? I need to really limit to the essentials. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pack for 8 or 9 days of clothes, and I'm just planning to do laundry along the way. Maybe every 6 or 7 days, it'll be part of my routine for the week while I'm traveling. So let's jump right into it. So this is all the clothes I'm gonna be bringing. Everything you see right here, this is what I plan to wear for the next 6 months. One of the things that works out for me really well is I already dress very monochromatic. Basically, I wear a lot of clothes that are either black, gray, beige, and just very simple. So a lot of the things I wear match all of the other things I wear. So I can pretty much just grab anything and it's probably gonna match. That makes it really easy, especially when you have a small amount of clothes for that really long period of time. So over here, 8 pairs of underwear, 9 pairs of socks. It's very important you wear socks that have some kind of style on them because obviously that matters, right? Over here, I've got a couple pairs of workout shorts. One of the things I really like about all of these workout shorts is that they have zippers on the pockets. I just zip it up and I don't have to worry about any pickpocketers. A pair of swimming shorts. I have 2 pairs of just regular shorts and a pair of, they're like pants. They're really stretchy, they're waterproof. I have 6 shirts, a few of those cutoff tanks that I'm always wearing, and then I have 1 button down, just in case I feel like looking a little bit nice. For the cold, I have only 2 jackets. I've got this one, it's like a pullover hoodie, but it's super, super thin, and I've got a rain jacket. This is a bunch of packing cubes. It makes it really easy when you're going through your bag. Over here, I have a pretty nice neck pillow. I won't open it, but it's a kind that has a drawstring, so it tightens really tight, and it has vents on the side. I've also got some earplugs here and a face mask. This is a day pack, and as you can see, it is a compressible day pack. So my plan with a day pack is I don't want to be lugging that huge backpack around with all my stuff. Instead, during the day, I want to either leave it in my condo or hotel or wherever I'm staying, but I also expect I'll be staying in a lot of hostels. So I'll leave that in the hostel or the hotel, and I'll bring this. This is a clothesline. Very lightweight clothesline. Not only can I use it to dry my towel very effectively, but if I'm laying in a hostel in my bed and there's other people there, I can hang my towel up with it and block it out for a little bit of privacy and also just to hide any of the stuff that I may have out. This is a travel towel that I have, much smaller than a regular towel. I'm gonna bring 3 pairs of shoes. One is a set of slides. I love slides. You can see I'm always wearing slides. And this is good just if I'm walking around, if I'm just going to the shower, if I'm just kind of like lounging around. These are probably gonna be my daily shoes. I didn't bring like actual running shoes, and that's because I'm doing this trip a little bit differently. In the past, I would book like a 10-day, 12-day, 14-day trip, and I would try to cram as much as I could. So I'd get up early in the morning, walk around, and be out and about all day long until late at night, and I'd finally go home. Well, my feet would get very tired, and I found that I really enjoyed having really comfortable shoes. I just don't like what they look like, and I don't like having running shoes on all the time. So for this trip, since I don't have a time limit, I'm not trying to cram everything in. I'm still gonna wanna see a lot and probably walk long distances, but I find that that's fine with these shoes, so that's what I'm gonna do. There is one more pair of shoes. These boots, you can see they really need to be cleaned. These boots are going to be excellent for pretty much anything I want to do. I'm expecting that I will be able to hike in them. They'll be great for in the rain. I can step in mud. They're kind of just super comfortable if I want to walk really far, if I want to do anything in them. I think it's really important to have a good pair of all-weather footwear. All right, so let's talk about toiletries. So I have a razor. I need to keep my face a little bit trimmed. I've got this thin thing of toothpaste, which should be fine. I've got my Quip toothbrush. I have to use a tongue cleaner. I've got this carbon fiber comb. Super important to have a straight beard. Tweezers, I don't know if I'll need them, but I feel like it's a good tool and they're small. Deodorant, lotion in case I'm feeling dry. This is a bar shampoo. This is my hair product. I think my hair is crazy without it. And then this is the bag. I'm just going to put all that in there, and then this will be my toiletry bag. So the next thing is electronics. Super important, I think, to a lot of people. In order to vlog, in order to work, in order to research all my travels, I know I need a lot of electronics with a high-speed connection. I need long-lasting batteries. I need to be able to recharge things very quickly, and I wanted to keep it as small as possible, so I'm not weighed down by all the many electronics that I have. All right, so let's start at the top. I just got a new MacBook. I have a dongle with me so I can plug in with HDMI. Got my headphones, a travel adapter. This is basically just a power strip / surge protector. I've got a lavalier mic that's for recording from my GoPro, my phone, my portable power bank. This is a maybe for me. I'm considering bringing this gimbal. I've got a battery charger, and a memory card. One of the things I got for my watch is this band that doesn't have any holes. I was thinking maybe if I'm swimming or if I'm in a really crowded area where I was worried about someone knocking it off me or actually intentionally pulling it off me, well, this doesn't have a way to actually do that. It will just be on my wrist and they'd have to actually break it off. I've got a COVID test. This is a bunch of lactose pills. I am lactose intolerant and I'm gonna be eating like crazy. This is my pill case. I just have a bunch of basically like headache medicine, allergy medicine. I have asthma, so I need a couple inhalers. Chapstick. I get dry lips. Sometimes the hostels won't actually provide a free lock. They'll just give you a locker and you can pay extra or rent a lock. So I'll bring my own lock around. Pen is super important. I typically take notes on my phone or like make plans on my phone, and I do everything electronically. But there are a few times when you're traveling that you need to fill out a form saying where you're going, where you're gonna stay. Water bottle, super important. I drink a lot of water, so I want to make sure I am able to store a lot. However, I want to be conscious of the size. I've got some dude wipes here. I have a bidet. I'm going to miss my bidet. I'm not gonna bring this whole thing, but because I am expecting to do laundry, these are just these really thin sheets. Throw it in with your laundry. Passport, I've got my passport wallet, my vaccination card, my ID, my stack of credit cards. One of the things I'm going to do is make a couple copies of my passport, my vaccination card, my California ID. A lot of times if you're gonna rent a car or like a scooter or something, or when you're checking in somewhere, sometimes they need to see proof of your stuff. I want to make sure that I have copies, that way it's quick to show them, and in case they need a copy, I can just hand it to them, save time, save them trouble, and just keep everything seamless. Sunglasses are very important. This is a laundry bag. This is a man purse. I really like that with this. You can strap it over and you can kind of swing it over like a backpack. If there's like a lot of people around and I want my stuff nearby, I bring it out to the front of me.